If you're a small business owner and you just started a QuickBooks Online file, the first thing you're going to want to do is link your bank transactions, link your bank accounts so that all the transactions start flowing in, and you can then start categorizing things and doing all the other important stuff you need to do. So this is the first step. So wanted to just take you quickly through the process and show you basically how to categorize so you can start getting the process going. So first off, you're going to get to the transactions section over here and go to bank transactions. That'll bring you to this page where you start linking your bank. So I'm going to go through that for security reasons. I kind of have to skip some of it, but we'll get to the next part here. So you will have logged into your bank, connected it. You'll probably get a verification code, and you should get to this page where it will list all of your accounts and you select which ones you want to connect. And so in this case, there's only one I want to connect, my business account. I'm going to designate it as a checking account. Now, obviously, if it's a savings, that's different, and most likely it's either a checking or savings or a credit card. And then the bottom part here is really important. You want to identify how long or how far back are you trying to go and inputting transactions. So this is the middle of 2025. You know, it's summer. I want to get my bookkeeping going, and I want to have all of my stuff done for just 2025. So I'm going to say this year. I want to start on the very first of the year, but you can also maybe go last year. I want to get all of my 2024 stuff together and change that. So you can customize that according to what you're wanting to do. So I'm going to say connect, and it's going to talk to my bank and start bringing in the transactions. All right, so we've gotten that account connected. This is the box right here that shows for this account how many transactions you need to categorize. And so if there's any errors with the connection, which will happen over time, you have to log back in for whatever reason, it'll be very obvious that that is the case. And so you'll be able to fix that problem easily. If I need to connect another account, I have a credit card that I need to connect, you go to link account right here on the top right. And then if you're ever at a point where you want to categorize your transactions, but it hasn't updated the transactions in a while, so it depends on the bank how often it will actually, actively go pull the transactions. You can click update right here, and it will go fetch them automatically that way. And so I'll talk about categorizing in a different video here, but now everything is set up. You can start categorizing your transactions, doing the whole process of bookkeeping on your own, and that's how you do it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I would love to get back to you. My name's Kevin with Capital Creek Bookkeeping. Thanks so much.